Greetings, great minds, and welcome to this class. Today, we want to look at matrix addition and subtraction. Of course, we've started matrix. We've done introduction to matrix, that is the basics. Then we've done matrix transpose. So today, we want to look at this particular matrix, which is subtraction. So it says if P is equal to this matrix and then Q is equal to this other matrix, then we should find P minus Q. So to make this a full screen. So P minus Q will be equal to. So we have 1 minus 8, 4 minus 0, and the 7 minus 5, which is on the first row. And on the second row, we have 3 minus 2, and then 0 minus 4, then minus 2 minus 1. And on the last row, we have 5 minus 3, 2 minus 0, and then 9 minus 6, right? Now this will give us 1 minus 8 is just the same thing as 1 plus 8 because 1 minus multiplies minus, it gives you plus. So 1 plus 8 will give us 9. Let me draw this. Will give us 9 here. Now 4 minus 0 will give us 4. 7 minus 5 will give us 2. And here we have 3 minus 2 will give us 1. 0 minus 4 will give us minus 4. And the minus 2 minus 1 will give us minus 3. And on the last one, 5 minus 3 will give us 2. Then 2 minus 0 will give us 2. Now 9 minus 6, that is 9 plus 6, and that will give us what? 15. And this is it. So this is the result of subtracting matrix Q from P. So thank you for watching. God bless you.